In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Amazon. We're going to move from a Google search into Amazon's help area and then right to the sign-in prompt you'll use to continue with customer support. I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Amazon and look for the official result. You'll know it's the right one when the web address shows the Amazon.com domain for your region. If you see ads at the top, that's normal. Just make sure you select the genuine Amazon link. A quick tip, check for the lock icon in your address bar to confirm you're on a secure page before you proceed. Once the Amazon homepage loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the footer, you'll find a section called Let Us Help You. This area gathers the most useful support links in one place. Click on Let Us Help You to expand or focus that area if needed. Within that same section, click on Help. This opens Amazon's Customer Service Hub, where you can access topics like orders, returns, devices, and account issues. If you already know your question doesn't match the common categories, don't worry, we're going to the broader options next. On the help page, look for the option labeled something else and click it. This is useful when your situation doesn't fit into a preset topic. Choosing something else typically reveals paths to more tailored support, including contact options. At this point, Amazon usually asks you to sign in so it can personalize the help experience. On the sign in page, click on the field labeled email or mobile phone number. That simply focuses the box so you're ready for the next action. Now click Continue. Depending on your account and region, Amazon may prompt you for additional verification on the next screen. A quick reminder, only enter information on the official Amazon sign-in page and never share one-time codes or passwords with anyone. That's the flow from a Google search to Amazon's help into something else, and then to the sign-in prompt so you can move forward with customer support. If your interface looks slightly different, it may be due to device type or regional updates, but the labels and layout are usually similar. Rewind as needed, and when you're ready, follow along to reach the help area quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.